My name is Lisa Reeves. I'm head of interior design, and I lead a team of interior designers to create beautiful and functional spaces inside our cars. Every day brings curiosity, creativity, inspiration, and new learning, and I work with an amazing team. They're very much motivated by the values of the brand, meaningful design, and how to create sort of the intelligence through functionality.
The ambition with the Volvo EX90 was to create the living room feeling. So imagine yourself going into the car, feeling at home, cozy, warm. That has been the main focus. And also this connection to the nature.
This is a vapor gray color, really beautiful, modern take on the gray color, which we got inspiration from our nature sky here in Sweden. It came out really beautiful.
Definitely.
We're here in the trim shop and we are working with the samples for the color material designers so they can decide which materials they want on the seat and all the different surfaces in the car.
We've also worked to redefine luxury by using more sustainable, lightweight materials that really feel tactile and of great premium quality.
So this is Nordico, our new progressive sustainable material.
You really design all the grains of these as well, right? So when you say textile, there's so much effort gone into designing the grain that you feel on the surface, right?
Yeah.
I think when you buy an EX90, you want the whole package. You want a large car, a safe car, but you also want a luxurious car.
I believe the next generation, we need to adapt to the future. From a material point of view, sustainability, circularity is important.